Et le YouTube. Bon, cette fois-ci, on va vraiment essayer de finir Aigre-Terre. Ah oui, on a exploré ça. Ah, c'est vrai. Alcine va nous faire son pamphlet pour dire à quel point la civilisation le dégoûte.
For a while, after the Shadow Curse was lifted, I felt hope in a way that I hadn't felt in years. I thought that nature would heal and balance between it and civilization could be restored once and for all. Yet since we neared the city, I've seen more and more signs that I was being naive. Refugees, orphans, the downtrodden, all being left behind. Perhaps the Shadow Druids were right in their own twisted way. If such sorrows are the fruits of civilization, perhaps there can be no true balance between it
On
and
appelle ça un
nature.
sophisme. Que voulez-vous dire?
Look around us. You will not have to search for long to see exactly what I mean. That poor girl, Yenna. This city will devour her as sure as any wild predator would do. Be it through malice or just neglect. Her fate will be sealed by this place. Societies should be judged based on how they treat their most vulnerable. Baldur's Gate may deserve harsh judgment from what I've seen so far.
Que peut-on faire pour arranger les choses, à votre avis?
I wish I knew. Truly. A problem for another day, perhaps. I just hope there is another day.
On va retourner ici. On va monter, on va explorer cette partie. Ça manque de points de passage, je trouve, hein.
Refugees for hire.
Il faut pas que j'oublie de pas utiliser assistance ou des sorts de concentration avec mon perso. On va aller parler à ce PNJ avant que j'oublie.
Are you trying to get into the city? Got a minute to tell me about your experience at the gate today?
Une petite seconde, qui êtes-vous?
I'm Lens, roving reporter for the Baldur's Mouth Gazette. My editor sent me to cover the drama out here at the gate. He wants some fluff piece about the heroic Steel Watch keeping the mob at bay, whether or not that's the truth or not.
Et quelle est la vérité selon vous? Ça m'énerve. Les journalistes ne sont-ils pas censés être impartiaux? C'est pas vrai.
That the refugees here are desperate, hungry, scared people. They're no mob. They just want to be safe. I've heard the rumors. Absolutists marching from Moonrise Towers. Whole towns felled by strange curses. It's no wonder they ran. Of course, I can't write any of that. My editor only releases stories his friend Lord Gortash approves of. And he's very selective.
C'est consternant, les habitants n'ont donc aucune idée de ce qui se passe vraiment.
Oh, they know some of it. Most would rather bury their heads in the sand anyway. Saves them the bother of feeling responsible. I'll try and get the truth across. Who knows? Maybe a line or two will meet Mr. Needle's approval. I won't be holding my breath.
Ok. Ce n'était donc pas Aurine. Il me semble qu'elle a 2 ou 3 occurrences. Ah, j'avais pas vu qu'on pouvait monter par là aussi. Après... Ah oui. Alors, monter sur les toits, c'est pour faire une quête. Oh, je peux la faire. Vas-y, 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 vas-y. Allez.
No time to rest.
C'est à côté. Allez.
Welcome to Sword Coast Couriers. To send and to serve. Delivery not guaranteed.
Comment ça, vous dites messager, mais vous ne garantissez pas la livraison?
Well, we've had to change the policy. Hard to send letters by road when there's a rampaging army of fanatics bearing down on you. I'll tell you, it's left me in a right pickle. I've sent what I can by pigeon, but now something's attacking them and all. Become a postmaster, Danzo. It'll be easy. Nobody mentions having to spend your evenings hunting for pigeon carcasses, do they?
You sense there's more to his anxiety than a few missing letters.
Sois un peu honnête avec moi. Qu'est-ce qui se passe réellement ici?
Oh, well, one of the missing letters is my own correspondence. A personal matter, nothing serious. But you can understand if people think I can't even deliver my own letters, I'd be finished.
Vous voulez que j'essaie de retrouver votre lettre?
You do that? Well, if it's not too much bother, yes, I'd appreciate the help. Bring me the letter, unopened, of course, and I'll happily compensate you for your troubles.
Du coup, il va falloir monter sur le toit du temple.
That might be worth a look.
Je vais aller seulement avec mon perso, ça évitera que tout le monde redescende.
That collar looks familiar. Does this cap belong to Gale?
On va faire...
Amicus animae.
Et je vais prendre Gale avec moi. Allez.
Mr. Dakarios, heavens! Fancy seeing you here.
Tara! That can't be you, can it?
I suppose you won't be terribly shocked to find your old friend Tara amongst the pigeons. They've always been a personal favorite.
My, is that a ring? For us? Ugh, you shouldn't have. Enjoy yourself now, Tara. Looks like you've got yourself set up quite nicely here.
Qu'est-ce que votre Tressim fabrique ici, Gale?
She isn't my Trezim. She's my friend. And from the looks of things, it appears she's eating pigeons.
Pourriez-vous lui demander de cesser de le faire?
Oh, right. Did you hear that, Tara? Stop it?
Well, these must be important birds indeed, Mr. Dekarios. Forgive me for feasting on their bodies and bones so very voraciously.
Oh, she's agreed. Just about.
Ramasser.
Tara remains as willful as ever. I'm glad you finally made her acquaintance. Given the length of my time away, I feared she might have given up on me. Oh, I should have known better. She'd never do such a thing.
Votre nom de famille est Dekarios?
It is. Courtesy of my mother. The inimitable, dare I say it, sometimes unavoidable Morena Dekarios. It's been so long since I've used it. Gale Dekarios cuts a poor figure next to the wizarding prowess of Gale of Waterdeep.
Gale Dekarios, personnellement, je crois bien que je préfère ça.
You like so many things about me I'd have sooner discarded. Your generosity is quite wonderful. Gale Dekarios likes you too. Very, very much. Though let's keep his existence between ourselves for now. I'd actually been thinking about introducing the two of you anyway. Over a sumptuous home-cooked meal, if that sounds at all to your taste. My tower in Waterdeep boasts an excellent kitchen and a wine cellar to rival Ondar himself. Not to mention a larder stocked with my homemade Hundor sauce.
C'est quoi la sauce Hundur?
A Waterdavian delicacy, spiced to leave exactly the right amount of heat lingering on the tongue, and served with that most sharp-toothed of Aquarian residents, the quipper fish. I make it to my mother's recipe. Packs quite a wallop, as does she. Now that we've got something to look forward to, I think it's time we went and saved the world. Don't you?
Maintenant que vous le dites, oui.
Anything you ask, I'll answer as honestly as I can. I'm an open book, requiring only your gentle hands to turn my pages.
Non, c'est bon. Hop, on redescend. Et on va pouvoir remettre ces lettres au postier.
Don't suppose you've, stumbled across those letters yet?
C'est ça la lettre que vous cherchiez?
Thank the gods! Unopened as well. Oh, what a relief. My customers will be most pleased. Here's your fee. As promised.
Bien.
Outraged.
Donc on a fini avec Aigreterre.
Halt! By orders of Lord Gortash, refugees are no longer allowed in the city. Turn around.
J'ai des affaires à régler dans la cité.
Or do you have the means to support yourself?
My good lady,
I am Will Ravengard. I will not pay to enter my own city.
Ravengard? Ugh, more like the ghastliest tiefling south of Neverwinter. No refugees. It is decreed.
J'avais pas de problème financier.
Right. Article 30.1.5 of the Council's decree on extraordinary wartime measures. I am confiscating that. The city thanks you for your contribution. Your name?
Je m'appelle Sifa.
Well met, citizen.
Your parasite stirs. From the construct, you feel connection, resonance.
Je peux y aller maintenant?
Not just yet. State your business.
Bah, visiblement, Jaira n'a pas le droit de...
Eyes open, body still.
Qu'est-ce qu'elle dit, c'est immobile.
Behind the Watcher's gaze, a presence awakens. You are seen. You are known. Your party's prior transgressions are reflected in its stare, as witnessed by the cult's ever-alert, scrying eyes. It has heard the howls of slaughtered goblins. It has seen the deep shadows of Grimforge, and the stone floors left bloodied. It knows the cold walls of Moonrise Towers, and the cultists who fell there. The Watcher speaks directly into your mind with a voice like poisoned honey.
You are marked for special treatment. Not simply an enemy of the people, but an enemy of the Absolute. Come quietly, or die.
Préparé au combat.
Please comply now, citizen.
Ah, vous pouvez désapprouver.
I will interpret any further hesitation as resistance.
Eat this, you pile of junk!
Recovery in progress.
God damn it all!
Citizens, do not be alarmed.
Bastards, or I'll have your heads!
Bon, je vais passer et puis je parlerai à Will parce que visiblement il a la bougeotte. C'est bon?
Men, women, children, all barred from entry. A damn travesty. A decade ago, Baldur's Gate would have welcomed any and everyone seeking refuge. Who would take in these souls, if not the Jewel of Baldurin?
C'est bien dommage. La porte de Baldur a le devoir de venir en aide aux gens dans le besoin.
As long as Gortash is in charge, they'll be left shivering at the gates. All part of the plan, of course. Step 1. Create an army and order it to march on the city. Step 2. Shut the gates in the name of security. Step 3. Bask in the applause. Gortash hasn't made Baldur's Gate safe. He's made it a prison. And when his army breaks through, the people will have nowhere to run. To make this city a safe haven, we'll need to bathe Gortash and his allies in their own blood.
Bien. J'aimerais bien remercier ces gnomes.
I'm starting to remember that Worm's Crossing has a bit of a reputation.
Alors, on va commencer.
Anything and anyone for a price.
On va commencer par ce bâtiment.
Wouldn't mind a dancing axe of my own. Not this
Sound
again.
like you're speaking from experience.
Rain is resisting its orders. Without all three stones to control,
Welcome to Danthilon's
soon
dance.
start acting on its own.
Greetings, sir. Your noble bearing brings a little class to my humble...
You can turn off the charm, Entharl. She's with me.
Blueberries. Thought I had a sale. You look tired, Harper.
I missed you too. They're already here?
Down below. Here's the key.
Vous êtes un marchand, n'est-ce pas? J'aimerais voir en marchandises.
Now?
Oh,
Oui.
aye. Helm forbid someone might pay for my services, Jahira. Harper's nesting in your cellar tends to scare off business. So, if you mean to sling some coin around, only Jahira will complain.
Dites-moi ce que vous savez. Ce que vous avez. Ah, attendez.
A pleasure.
On va lui reparler.
What do you need?
Visiblement, ça s'est pas généré. Bon. Menu principal. On va jouer comme ça. Je sais pas pourquoi des fois ça plante, mais c'est pas grave. Des fois un petit relaunch réarrange tous les problèmes.
What do you need?
Bien. Alors. Ça, je peux prendre, ça m'intéresse. Ça aussi. Est-ce que ça coûte cher ces conneries, hein? On va prendre ça. C'est ridicule. Mhm. Éventuellement. Non. Porté par le vent. Ah ah. c'est bien, mais c'est cher. J'ai plein de trucs dont je ne sais pas, c'est terrible.
Your father bless you.
Faire un petit tri. Je vais envoyer des flèches. Genre ça, je vais les envoyer à Astarion parce qu'il n'a pas de flèches explosives. Et dans certaines situations, ça peut servir. Bien, bien, bien.
One day I'll catch a break.
On va attendre que tout le monde descende.
To meet my mother.
Et un tonneau d'huile, ça m'intéresse.
Yes, darling, it's very leather-like.
L'arbalète que j'ai acheté, je vais l'envoyer à Lae'zel. Non, c'est pas celle-là. Le tri est à moitié fait, c'est terrible. J'arrive pas à la trouver. Elle est là. Ça, c'est ça. Lae'zel. Parce que pour le coup, le modificateur de force, on s'en fout. Par contre, ça augmente ses chances de coup critique. Ah ben... Ah non. Fair call damage. Ah ouais, non, ça on s'en fiche. Ok. On va leur parler.
Hi, Harper. May Seluna's tears shine on this meeting.
A very formal greeting, Geraldus. You are well?
Yes. Hi, Harper. Standing beneath Seluna's tears.
The lad's a little nervous, Jaheira. We heard of your great victory against Ketheric.
Geraldus isn't nervous. He's terrified. And he's using Seluna's tears as some kind of code.
I understand, Geraldus. Take a moment. And you, Harper. There is something familiar about you. Doesn't she remind you of our old friend Marcus?
Jaheira's meaning is clear. Marcus was a traitor laying a trap. The same, it seems, is happening here.
Gardez le silence et attendre un signal de Jaheira.
The problem with Marcus, of course. We didn't end on the best of terms.
Bien. Pourquoi vous criez? Pourquoi vous criez? Il n'y a pas... Enfin... Calmez-vous. No need. Je vais faire un truc. Je vais tout décaler d'un. Voilà. Ah ouais, d'accord. Ok. C'est une blague. Je peux pas faire la même chose avec Jaheira. Si je dois pouvoir le faire. C'est chiant. J'aimerais pouvoir le... C'est chiant, c'est chiant, c'est chiant, c'est chiant. Je comprends pas hein, comment... La logique des flèches. Des fois ça rebondit, des fois non.
No escape.
War is an old woman's game.
I am ready.
Best be on my way.
None can withstand nature's wrath.
Victory awaits.
On va faire ça.
Make way.
Ah, elle va se mettre à cogner, la petite Lae'zel là. Oh,
We
oh.
shall prevail.
On the victor's path. Coming through.
More of Orin's doppelgangers. How many has she brought to Baal's side, I wonder?
Mahler's mark. How many?
Did I get it right?
Seluna's tears. It is said no false face can stand beneath their light. An old code, Harper. But yes, you got it right. Now I need your report.
We had eyes on suspected cultists in the city, like you asked. We thought we were tracking them, but...
They were tracking you instead. Evidently. Doppelgangers.
And they're not just working with the cult, High Harper. They're part of it. Baalists, I think.
Sworn to Orin the Red, yes. We've already had the pleasure. Go on.
Everything seemed fine until your latest orders. Until we started to search for the Rashomar. They struck the same night. I woke to one of them strangling Chelvin, while smiling at me out of her face. She said... It said... that I'd report back to you as normal. Lure you here, and I had no choice.
I'm sure it felt that way, Geraldus. The others were likely dragged back to Orin. Tortured. Sacrificed. I do not expect you to die for me. But to risk Entharl, any citizen who might have wandered in, there is always a choice. And the Harper must be able to make the hard ones. Perhaps this isn't the life for you after all, Geraldus.
No, Jaheira! High Harper, please! I'm still a Harper. I want to help.
You've scarcely signed up, boy. And there is a war coming. Why die a Harper when you could still live as anything else?
Personne ne peut faire ce choix à sa place, pas même vous, grande ménestrelle.
I want to fight. For Kelvin. For all of them. So it means something.
Death is death. To look for meaning in it is foolishness, boy. Childish storybook nonsense. Exactly the kind the Harper would spout, I suppose. Fine. I have no right to make the choice for you. Not when this mess is of my making. I sent the Harpers hunting after the cult, without thinking what it would mean to be hunted in turn. Now they are compromised. And if not for you, I wouldn't even know it. I'm sorry, Geraldus. Harper. And I owe you an apology as well. I haven't told you everything I hope to learn here today. First, Geraldus, you're the last Harper in the city I can rely on. Lay low, and rest while you can. I have matters to discuss with my friend here.
Bébé. C'est super.
Let's move. At the ready.
Ok.
Something good here, I hope.
She has the most fabulous scent.
Anything of use?
Bien, il n'y a plus qu'à remonter.
You're not wearing armor.
On va parler à Jaheira, visiblement il y a...
Orin knows the hunt. In one stroke, she places the Harpers beyond our reach. Separates us from our pack. Until we know who the false facers are, we cannot trust anyone beyond ourselves.
Qui est donc ce Réchéménien que vous avez demandé à vos ménestrels de chercher?
A shame of mine. Redoubled because I did not tell you everything sooner. Tell me, what do you know of a man named Minsk of Rashomon?
Despite her expectant gaze, the name means nothing to you.
Ce nom devrait me dire quelque chose.
Well, that depends entirely on the quality of bard you listen to. Street whalers spin stories from the time of troubles. And they save the strangest ones for Minsk. It happens that in his case, most of them are true. Minsk is an old friend. Perhaps my oldest. We've fought at one another's backs times beyond counting. And the last time I saw him, I left him to die.
Je suis sûr que c'est plus compliqué que ça.
There always is. But that is still the fundamental fact of it. Before we ever heard of this Absolute, we received word of a gathering in the Undercity. What we found was the first dark seed of this plot. A circle of cultists with mind flayers in their midst. We might have ended it there, cut off at the root, but before I could send for help, Minsk charged in alone. It was chaos. He was overrun, dragged down beneath a mass of tentacles. I had a choice. Stay and let word of this cult die with us, or leave him and live to fight another day.
Je suis désolé, Jaira. C'est un choix bien cruel que vous avez eu à faire là.
The world takes much from those who presume to defend it. But sometimes, you get to take it back. So don't be sorry, because I mean to use you, if you're willing. Infection, indoctrination, eradication. That has been the fate of everyone the cult has captured so far, but it has not been yours. With your help, perhaps it need not be Minsk's either.
Alors retrouvons-le.
As simply as that? For no other reason than that I asked? Perhaps you two will get along. Oh, the point is moot without the means to find him. Without the Harpers, we shall have to find another path. I'll have a better idea of what that is once we're through the gates. Seems I need to reacquaint myself with this damned city.
Bien, bien, bien. Bon, on va s'arrêter là pour cet épisode. Hop. Du coup, je vous dis à la prochaine YouTube. Prenez soin de vous.
We're shopping for a suit. Dinner with my... Remember?